This old guy DIY video has to do with cleaning out a pump that ingested a fish. This pond fountain is powered by a sewer pump that can handle 2-inch solids. And occasionally a fish will get sucked in there, and the fish can't be blown out these little 1/2-inch holes. So you end up with chunks like this. So in this case, there are some big chunks of fish that I can see in there. I'm going to have to remove this top piece and dump it out. When this thing chops up a fish, tries to spit it out of the shower head, I just have to remove this piece. I'll take it up to the driveway, bang it there, knock some fish pieces out and put her back together. These are some of the big pieces of fish that were stuck in that glorified shower head. But now I have the tube clean. All the spray holes are clean. I'll put it back together and put it back in service. 26 minutes later, Old Faithful is back in action, doing that thing he does. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.